Welcome to the Gel Analysis Lane Analysis tutorial for the Unscan It Gel software. This tutorial will step you through the gel analyzing process using the Unscan It Gel software. This tutorial will show you how to use the lane analysis mode of the Unscan It Gel software to analyze lanes and bands on electrophoresis gels. A startup screen will appear when the software is opened, and a pop-up menu will allow you to analyze a gel. This option can also be selected from the main Analyze Gel menu or the Analyze toolbar. The Unscan It Gel software can analyze a variety of image formats including TIFF, JPEG, bitmap, PNG, and GIF formats. The image can come from a scanner, digital camera, imager, internet, or other image source. The lanes to be analyzed should be shown in the vertical direction on the image. For this tutorial, we will choose a sample TIFF image to analyze the lanes. There are several gel analysis modes available, including lane analysis, segment analysis, and dot plot analysis. These modes are described by clicking the question mark button associated with each mode. For this tutorial, we will choose the lane analysis mode. Multiple gel analysis options will be presented, and you can choose the options that best fit your gel analysis needs. Generally, we will analyze most gel images in grayscale mode. Since we are using lane analysis mode, we will be generating a density profile, so we can use the default mode for background subtraction. These and other options are described by clicking the question mark button associated with each option. For this tutorial, we will accept the remaining default options. The next screen will allow you to define the lanes by drawing lane boxes on your gel image. General instructions will be presented at the bottom of the screen. The zoom toolbar option can be used to increase or decrease the zoom level of the main image. Since we are using lane analysis mode, we will draw a lane box that encompasses the entire first lane. You should generally draw the box starting above the top band and extending below the bottom band and wide enough to include all the bands in that lane. You can draw the lanes individually or use the copy button on the toolbar. The lane boxes can be resized or moved by hovering the mouse over the lane box and dragging the box. After all the lane boxes are located on the image, click the Analyze button in the lower right corner of the screen. The Unscan It Gel software will then automatically extract a density profile for each lane. General information regarding the density profile can be displayed by clicking the question mark button at the bottom of the density profile. Additional details regarding the density profile screen will be discussed in another video on the Silk Scientific channel. The Unscan It Gel software will attempt to automatically identify the peaks which are associated with each band in the lane. However, peak baselines can be added or deleted using the buttons located at the bottom of the density profile. The endpoints of each of the peak baselines should be located at the local minima at the edges of each peak. You can use your mouse to drag the baselines to the desired locations. After all the peaks and baselines have been assigned, click the Quantify Peaks button. The area above the background will be displayed and stored for each peak in that lane. Click the Continue button to continue to the density profile for the next lane. Follow the same procedure to define the peaks and baselines for each lane. After all the bands have been analyzed, the results screen will be displayed. Clicking the column headings will display a description of the data in that column. You can also use the results spreadsheet to create a calibration curve for the concentration or molecular weight using a standard. The digital data can then be saved to a data file or copied to the clipboard. The data can then be pasted into Excel or any other spreadsheet or data analysis program. Thank you for watching our Unscan Gel, Gel Analysis, Lane Analysis tutorial. Additional video tutorials are available on our Silk Scientific channel. For more information regarding the Unscan Gel software, please visit the website shown here or contact us directly if you need any additional information.